All right, this is Cindy. I'm going to show you how you can import your Google Classroom into Edcite. So I started off on my home page here, is where I went to. And then I went to my classes here. Well, actually, let's go back. And then you're going to hit Create New Class. So you hit Create New Class, and you have a Import from Google Classroom button. So you're going to hit the Import from Google Classroom and log into the correct Gmail, since I only have a billion. And then you're going to select which class you want to import, which, let me slide down. I want to import my biology class. I can't remember which biology. One of them is the one I want to import, and the other one is not. Okay, so then I'm going to import my biology class, and I hit the button that says Import Classes. And I get to pick my account again, because apparently they didn't like it the first time. And poof, there is my biology class. All right, hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.